Hey guys, sorry about the other accident. I couldn't publish it. There's something wrong with the publishing. Okay, guys, if you have like a recorded screenshot, you can record it, upload. Yeah, but okay, guys, I'm gonna show you what I have. It can be made. Speed potion. Okay, guys, actually, oh, you don't think it's speed potion? Okay, do this. Toda. Speed potion. Miss! Come get me. Oh, shoot! Oh, couldn't. Oh, shoot. I'll get that thing. I hate that thing. He always kills me. Oh, shoot, not kill him. Shoot! Help! Oh, my lord. I'm gonna kill people. Help me. Give me this guy. Thank you. This guy is really not helping. Yeah, this guy's big body. Big cats! Big cats. I'll chop your ass. Okay. Oh, so this guy. Look, I'm real new. No, he isn't new. I just be a noob, guys. My skin. Oh shit. Oh yeah, you can't catch me. Yeah, bro. Oh yeah. Oh shoot. See, I was gonna move that head from this. Hip hop. I'm gonna jump up. Oh shoot. Hip hop. Eewee. I'm pooping. Do it. First, like this. Go! You can't see that. He's a robot. I hate that everything. I hate that robot. I hate robots. I hate robots. Okay. Oh God. I'm just bored, guys. Tomorrow, today, I'm going to do another one. Another one. Let me speak with this. Oh shit. I'm not patient. That one. Plus, let's do my meditation. Yeah, this is not even scary. I hate this. Hate no the wacky rest. I hate the law. It's so easy. I hate this little Monty. Not a kill. Pray something is done in brain. You think you can kill me? Yeah, you think you can kill me? I'm a deception. It's not a kill. My personal infiltrates. They can't even kill me because I'm only one piece of mission. Yeah, you can kill me. No, the overrun. Gotta run. It's too late to kill me. My deadness when I'm gone. God help me. Oh, that's good. What about this? Shit. That's Okay, guys, goodbye. Hope you like, and guys, hope you like, and guys, hope you like, but